Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2020 Hino 195, but before we jump into that walk around, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. We bring our trucks in from our customers' trade-ins or from our leasing department. We go through them to a 150-point check. Go through the cabs, bodies, lift gates, any discrepancies found, we run them through our medium shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a QC test drive, clean them up, put them online for our customers to take a look at. On top of that 150-point check on this truck, we have done the engine oil filter, fuel and air filters have been changed. We've replaced all 4 injectors in this truck, and the DPF is brand new, so it's been fully serviced, ready to go, and it still has some engine and powertrain warranty on it. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb into the truck, got plenty of grab handles. We got a nice captain's chair for the driver's seat. 2-person bench, so you can have a crew of 3. We got the great outward and upward visibility with this being a cab over. Cab, or the axles underneath the cab instead of a front, and like a conventional truck gives you a smaller footprint and makes it more maneuverable. We've got the AM/FM CD radio, air conditioning, cruise control, and this truck does have the heated and powered large mirrors, so your driver can adjust the mirrors from the driver's seat and not have to get in and out. Nice safety option. And even though this is a 2020, you can take a look at it. It's very well maintained, clean, be a nice clean ride for your guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. When you buy Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they're known for worldwide. You start taking a look at pre-owned trucks, especially van bodies, the bodies have got holes inside, they're beat up, corner caps knocked out. This truck's in really, really good shape, good rubber all the way around it. This is a Chicago style rear bumper. We can take this bumper off and put an ICC bumper or a regular step bumper on the back if you'd like, or we could take it off and put a rail lift or tuck away gate to your liking, or you can just leave it like this. Depends on what you want to do with it. We have got an 18-foot, 91 tall, 96 wide van body, great for hauling appliances and furniture. We've got the 3 rows of E-track all the way across the front and back down the other side. It comes with several E-track straps already in it. We've got several dome lights in this truck for those early morning, late afternoon deliveries. The aluminum roof's in really good shape, and the laminated hardwood floor in this truck's in really, really good shape, ready to go out and start making deliveries with. Here at Industrial Power, we have the larger trucks, but we're starting to get more of the smaller trucks like the 16 and 18 footers like this one in, and the other vocational trucks. And even though this truck is in really good shape, nice, clean, not beat up, we can still take and wrap this cab and the van body of this truck with your name, graphics, and design, turning that fuel money into advertising money while your drivers are going down the road. Again, a really nice 2020 Hino 195. Still has some extended engine and powertrain warranty left on it. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and go ahead and hit that notification bell and the like button, so that way every time we put stuff on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. Stick with us for a minute. We're going to tilt the cab, start this truck up, and give you a little more intimate walk around of it. And as always, we do appreciate your time.